Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if Fortnite is available on Xiaomi Poco F4 GT. So as we all know, the Fortnite is not available on Google Play Store, but let's try searching in a search pool Fortnite. No results found, and instead of Google Play Store we can try Epic Games app, which you can download from Epic Games Store website. And right here we should see the Fortnite. It's right here. Click Get, and the Fortnite is available on your Xiaomi Poco F4 GT. You can easily install it, and downloading process will begin. So after it downloads, you'll be able to open it and then download a few patches and the game will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.